going to have this cruise in because I got cold and it's like 11 a.m. I'm sneezing, I'm coughing, and that might wake Shravani up. So what I did is I just took all my chadar and everything and came into the kitchen. I'm going to sleep in kitchen because of my sardi. In the beginning, I was sleeping outside only with Shravani and Tanvi. In the process of not making noise, I was breathing from the mouth and it started irritating me. So that Shravani will not wake up. If she wakes up, it will take more 2 to 3 hours to again put her back to sleep. And we don't want that. Parenting 101. This is the hack whenever you got cold and cough. I apply Vicks on my nose, on my neck, and on chest. I want to get rid of this cold and cough. After my night shift, this is the night I am with my family. I am with Shravani and Tanvi. But I'm not able to sleep with them because of this cold. And I don't want to wake Shravani up. So I'm sleeping in kitchen. Okay, so bye. I'm sleeping. It's almost 1:15 now. I hope we all, Shravani, me and Tanvi, we all get good sleep. Yeah. See you tomorrow. सोने नहीं दिया
इसने नहीं,
तो
इसके बाप ने सोने नहीं दिया।
भाई मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है भाई? मैं तो बीमारी में चुपचाप सो गया था मेरी।
मेरा बाप जिस इंटेंस का खराटे मारता है ना, तो उससे 2 कदम दूर था।
ओके।
और इसने तो जगह 2-3 बार फीड के लिए, विच इज ओके। मैं जागी भी बराबर, उसको फीड भी दिया, लेकिन वापस सोने के लिए शांति चाहिए ना। अब खट 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 आवाज आएगी तो जल्दी नींद नहीं आती। हमारे खराटे बज रहे थे, चद्दर के अंदर से भी बहुत हाई वॉल्यूम था।
It could be because I'm not feeling well. Generally, I don't snore that much.
हमेशा रोज तू स्नोर करता है सोना, हर रोज।
But I think I don't snore.
सबको यही लगता है, जो खराटे मारता है उनको यही लगता है कि वो खराटे नहीं मारता।
अरे I snore, but in like I kind of whisper.
दिस इज नॉट विस्परिंग। प्रूफ चाहिए?
अच्छा, you got video?
नहीं नहीं,
Then
किया नहीं है, अभी करूंगी, अब मैं शूट करूंगी।
okay, I'll wait for the proof because I don't believe that I snore that much in a high volume. I don't think that.
हाँ, you do snore.
I
Generally, I
do snore, but I do whisper. My snoring is whisper snoring.
अच्छा, विस्पर क्या होता है बता? What is whispering?
That is whisper snoring.
रहने दे, you don't whisper snore. बहुत जोर से स्नोर करता है तू। ऐसा लगता है मेरे कान में बैठ के कुछ गा रहा है जोर जोर से।
Okay.
ये अच्छे से सोई थी सरप्राइजिंगली। ये तो ऐसा अनिल कपूर।
Come on now.
खराब कर दी।
Now get up. We'll have breakfast. What about him?
ये इसको तेरे चद्दर में सोना है, अंदर सोना है, बाहर सोना है। मेरे चद्दर में अंदर सोना है, बाहर सोना है।
Enough of complaints now. Get up. We'll have breakfast. We'll have breakfast at 2 p.m. Hi. So I've just got back from the market. Today I didn't go to the office because I had fever and cold and I was unable to wake up from my bed. So at 5:12 or 5:14 in the morning, I called my colleague and dropped WhatsApp message to my manager that I won't be able to come. I woke up at 11:30 or something and checked all the messages. So my shift schedule has arrived in the group. Okay. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow I have my off. That means I've got 3 days of leave in a row. I didn't know about that 2 days off. Today I took sick leave tomorrow and day after tomorrow I have my official holidays. I got up at 11:30 but was not able to move from my bed. And this is for the nashta. We have samosas, cutlets, and jalebi afterwards to sweeten our mouths. And here comes tea. I want to get back to my normal self. I don't want this cold, cough, and fever. I don't want to be ill. Ille. I, I don't want to be ill. I want to get back to the normal life. Yeah. After this water boils, I'll just put this capsule in a boiling water and I'll take a steam. Hopefully, it'll make me feel better. Steam effect. I'm feeling little better. It'll help me recover fast. The water is pretty cold now. This is me now after everything. Shravana.